Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to post a Snapchat story, and now let's dive right in. Now to post a Snapchat story, first open up your Snapchat app and make sure to be logged into the account on which you want to post that Snapchat story. Now from over here guys, you can either take a picture. You can see the middle, there is the snap icon, tap on it. Either you can take a picture of anything before you add to it, or you can just add it from the camera roll. To do that guys, at the bottom left corner of the screen, just beside the camera snap icon, there you can see there is the two pictures icon. Tap on over there and this interface will appear where you will be able to access your camera roll and add the picture which you want. And you can see guys, in order to post it to your story, you can see the story button at the bottom of the screen where it says a pen icon story, and send to tap on that story button, and that snap or picture will be added to your story on Snapchat. And there guys, this is how you post a story on Snapchat. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.